Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. Later that we divide both sides by s. Next, we have y, and first derivative of y we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative s plus 1 over s next to y, that is for integrating factor. So we can put this one gone here. So s divided by s, we have number 1. So the integration of number 1 in here, we have s. The next one we have L and S. So this one we have ES minus L and S. So this one we can put like this. Negative I will put inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 1. Or we can put like this. So that means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So s and s we simplify. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of negative s over s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative ds. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So that's why we have negative ds. dv, we have this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative e to the power of negative s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive, so we just have only negative side in here, and we have the integration e to the power of negative s ds. So the integration of this one in here with the negative, we have positive e to the power of negative s. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we divide both sides by e to the power of negative s for the both sides. Next, we multiply both sides by s. That is the end. Thank you for watching.